So you like Dandut?
Yes, of course we are Indonesian.
I'll say the song, you name the singer. Sakitnya tuh di sini.
Cita-cita tak?
Ding 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 ding.
How do you know?
Semua orang di Indonesia selalu bilang nggak ada teman untuk latihan bahasa Inggris. Sekarang ada. Practice your English with me. Get over here. Welcome to my show. Are you ready to practice your English with me? You already follow me? Thank you. Well, what is your name?
My name is Tri.
Okay, and you are?
I'm Lina.
Okay, hi, ladies. How are you?
Oh, fine, thanks. What about you?
Very good. I'm having a great day.
It's a tired day. Right?
A bit sweaty. I'm very sweaty.
Me too.
Thank you for the tissue.
Yes, Mereka.
So, what do you want to talk about?
Actually, I'm a bit curious about what you do here.
I'm here to show Indonesia that Indonesians can speak English very well. And they're very brave to speak English.
Yeah,
Like you. You're brave.
My niece told me it's a guruku.
Mr.
Oh,
D.
yeah. Who is he? Yes, let's see. Let's have a see.
How long have you been speaking English? Your whole life?
I don't know. Maybe in a university.
Oh, okay. Titi is going to talk about sports. So you start. Tell me, what do you like about sports? Do you like sports?
You like sport?
Yes, I do.
What sport you like?
Well, for watching or for doing?
Watching?
For watching, I love UFC. Like boxing. Yeah.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? Too violent? What do you like?
I like swimming.
Swimming. Swimming.
I like music too.
Music.
Do you like music?
Yes, I do. What kind of music do you like?
I like rock music,
Ooh, me too.
jazz music.
Do you like Bon Jovi?
I like it,
Yeah.
but it's long time ago.
Yeah, old music, yeah.
When I was young. Because
when you were younger?
I was 54 years old.
Okay, I'm here with Aziz.
Yes,
Aziz, you can take the microphone. Tell me about yourself.
My name Abdul Aziz. I'm from East Jakarta.
Okay.
I'm in here around with my friend, jogging
Okay.
because in Jakarta very beautiful
Yes.
view.
Beautiful city, right?
Yes.
You want another one? Another topic? Random.
Achievement.
You want to talk about achievements?
Achievement.
Like in Bahasa? Pencapaian, like success that you have.
Target.
Mm.
What target? What do you want to know about me and achievement?
Tell me about your achievements in life. Like having children is an achievement.
Actually, this. I have work in BNI bank. BNI. In working, I have a target. Actually, my achievement always get.
You always get your always hits her
But
targets.
just a little. Talking
Yeah.
about achievement, I don't.
Yeah.
I didn't interested about it.
Oh, okay.
And
Find another
topic.
one. One more. Do you want to try talking about a specific topic?
Specific topic.
Yeah.
All right.
So you pick a card. All right. What is it?
Career.
Career. All right. Talk to me about career. Do you have a career? Do you want to change your career? You can ask me about my career.
Okay. I don't have career
Oh yeah?
because I already finished kursus
Okay.
English in Kediri.
Oh, cool.
Yes, but I don't speak English little.
But here you are practicing with me. That's
Yeah,
very good.
yes.
Try another topic. Shall we choose a topic to talk about?
Okay. The topic come with a door prize or no?
I am the prize. My conversation.
Yeah. Meet you is a door prize.
Yeah. The English, the challenge.
Music.
Music. So let's talk about music. Do you like the Beatles?
A little bit is too long to all.
Oh,
To all music.
but old is good.
Yes, all is good. But I'm new people. I'm not old people.
Look at my gray. Yeah. Old is good. What are you saying?
yes.
Old is bad?
More gray is more wise.
Wise. That's true.
Yes.
So do you like what kind of music?
Indonesian song, of course.
Indonesian music. Tell me
Yes.
some.
Like a dangdut?
No, not Raisa. You like Dandut.
Yes, of course we are Indonesian.
What about Roma Irama?
Roma Irama.
Too old?
Sure, Roma Irama.
It's okay. You like it?
Yeah, Roma Irama.
He's the king, right?
Yes, the king. King and also.
He's like the Elvis of Dandut.
Yeah.
Or the
Yes.
Michael Jackson of Dandut?
Superstar.
Superstar.
Yes.
Who else do you like?
Elvi suka Esi. Elvi suka Esi.
I don't know this. That's the name of the person?
Yes, Elvi suka Esi is as famous as Roma Irama.
Elvi Sukaesi?
Legend. Dangdut legend.
Oh, it's a woman.
Yes.
But also, Roma Irama has a wife and she sings too, right? Or like
Yes.
had a wife? I don't know. Okay, what about like young, new Dandut singers? Like Ayu Ting Ting or
You think
someone like that?
Alamat palsu.
Alamat palsu. Wait, you name the singer and I'll say the song, you name the singer. Sakitnya tuh di sini.
Cita-cita tak?
Ding 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 ding.
How do you know?
Jarang goyang.
Jarang goyang.
Jarang.
Jarang goyang.
Who's the singer? I don't even know.
I don't know. Jarang.
You don't know tuh?
Karisma, Nela Karisma.
Nela Karisma.
Is it? I'm the winner. Okay. Oh, it's correct. Same thing. It's the same.
I am resign.
Okay, let's try this one. What if you were a superhero?
Superhero.
Too crazy?
Superhero in my family, of course.
You already are a superhero.
Just a housewife and mom from my
Superwoman.
mother. Okay,
Good.
that's
Thank you, Titi. You're doing great.
What do you think about my English?
Good. Keep practicing so you can get better and better. But I like that you're very free to talk.
I can speak in English.
Good. Go.
Sport.
You like sports?
I like sport. I like motorcycle sport,
MotoGP?
MotoGP, yeah, little.
Do you watch it?
Huh?
You like watching MotoGP?
Sometime.
Yeah. Who's your favorite driver? Rider?
Mark Marquez.
Mark Marquez.
Yes. How about you?
I like UFC. Do you know?
UFC?
Yeah.
Oh, fight.
Yes.
I like
love
fight.
that. Yeah.
Khabib Nurmagomedov?
Yes. Already retired.
Oh, yes.
But Islam Makhachev, his friend, he's
Yes.
the champion now.
Oh,
It's good.
you
You
like
like-
watch UFC?
Yeah, I don't do it. Don't worry.
No.
Do you like football?
Football, I like football.
What's your favorite team?
My favorite team, Real Madrid.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay.
And then Al Nassr.
Okay. What's the Jakarta team called?
Persija.
Do you like Persija?
Yeah, I like Persija. Yes, I like Ronaldo.
Real Madrid.
Al Nassr.
Al Nassr. Huh?
Al Nassr.
I don't know anything about football.
Oh,
Nothing.
you don't.
Because I'm American.
Oh, America. Yes.
It's called soccer for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
What kind of music you like?
I like all kinds of music. One of the kinds that I like is jazz.
Jazz.
Do you like
So
jazz?
You can sing a jazz song.
I like instrumental jazz. So no lyrics. Like Miles Davis. You know Miles Davis?
Yeah.
It's like very good ambience music.
Ambience.
What have a nice vibe while I'm reading a book.
Before sleeping, maybe. Before you sleep.
Maybe before sleeping. Yeah.
Play jazz.
Yeah. Do you like jazz?
Yes, sometimes.
Sometimes. What's your favorite music?
Pop?
Pop.
Yes. Indonesian pop?
Indonesian pop. Raisa. No. Do you like the competitor of Raisa? What's her name? She just got married like within Isyana.
Isyana, yes.
Good? Oh, you like
I
Isyana.
like Isyana.
Okay.
The vocal is unique, ya kan? Agnes Monica, yeah.
Agnes Monica?
Yes.
Good. Okay.
Cinta ini,
I don't know that song.
cinta ini kadang-kadang tak ada logika.
Selalu gak ada logika ya.
Iya.